Hey, my beautiful hair friends, let's do a little curl action. It's been a hot minute, and I love the Kenra Heat Block Spray, and you guys know I always use my Olaplex number 7, but you know what? It's better to be safe than sorry, and this is the Bio-Ionic Long Barrel, and I always start at the base. I give it a half a turn, and then I let the ends hang out, because first off, they're already probably crispy because they're ends, and we don't want them to sit in there and chill and cook. And so I let it usually go for about 5 seconds at the base. I did speed this up a little bit for your viewing pleasure. And so we're just going to start at the base, let it sit for about 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I scoot those ends in just for a second to let them hit. Also, I like that kind of like straighter end look, but we got to give it some heat just to kind of smooth it down. And I just give it a little hairspray to work it out with another little bit of Olaplex number 7, a little zhuzh, zhuzh, zhuzh. And I work it out. And guys, look at my long hair. I missed that. Oh my gosh. Anyways, guys, here is the final result. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Guys, if you like and enjoy my content, don't forget there's all kinds of goodies in the link in the bio. And don't forget to like, follow me, and share. Hey guys, and if you like that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.